What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the inside of a car. Oh, I lost that key. You took it? Oh man, you scared me. We are going to. We're not going to attempt. We're gonna pull the dash. So hang out with us while we do that.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll teach you something.
Maybe.
You
might know more than us. That's fine too.
Comment below if you know more than us.
Uh-oh, all the comments. Woo! So first thing, we're taking this radio out of here. There we go.
Nice.
Tiny guy.
Show that bad boy off.
This is actually pretty sweet. So it looks correct in terms of the period. So very period correct, very 80s look to it. It has an amber backlight, so it matches the backlight of the E30. But it's new, so it has Bluetooth and all that cool stuff. I like it.
So sick.
Yeah.
No CD player though.
No.
What the heck, dude?
I know.
How am I gonna play my? Now that's what I call music CDs.
Which number do you have? Like
1 through 14, probably.
Nice.
No, I don't have those
so
anymore.
Good. You know what? We'll get a changer for the trunk. You can get all of them in there.
6 disc.
All of them.
Man, those. That's what a time. What a time when that was like an amazing feature. It was always in the trunk too, the most inconvenient spot.
The M3 has a 6 CD changer in the back.
Excellent,
Yeah.
excellent.
That'll be part of our comparison video.
So if I'm not mistaken, we have to blow the airbag.
Yeah. You ready? Oh wait, it's not there. All right, cool.
Is there an airbag in there?
No, this is not. Yeah, not
Okay.
one. Yep. Too old for that.
Too old.
They added the airbags in 1990. Whoops.
Didn't break it. Okay.
Dude, we did it.
Dash out.
Look at that dash.
Look at that dash.
It's quite a dash.
Sweet. Alright. Let's get a little tour here. No dash. Just drive around like this, man.
We totally could.
That's great. So minimal instruction, tiny bit of patience. That was knock on dynamite. Pretty easy.
Just look for where it's connected. And make sure all the wires stay behind.
Cool.
Yep.
Do we want to wrap up then?
Yeah, this was fun. I think we did good work. Look at all these wires. Got to figure those out at some point.
Look at all those wires.
Yeah, that was awesome. Thanks for checking out our dash removal.
Hold on, I'm just terrorizing the camera right now. Okay.
Sweet. Thanks for joining us for dash removal. Good times.
Dash is out.
Dash is out. We'll be taking more stuff apart next time.
What? So we gotta label all the wires.
Yeah.
I'd assume.
This wiring, not all of the wiring in here actually will come with us, but the engine wiring harness will need to go to the next car. So we'll hang on to that, but I think for a lot of this stuff we won't hang on to. But yeah, we'll figure out what we need and what we don't need, and we'll keep going from there.
All right.
Yep. See you soon.
That's it from the garage.
Yes.